Check the gun first. Magazine is empty. Chamber is empty. Clear. So the question is, why would Staccato get rid of a gun like this? This is Staccato C. Quite a unique gun. It's designed for a 9mm. The grip is for 9mm. The magazine is for 9mm. It's not some modified 2011 that's made for 9mm. It's truly a 9mm 2011. And they discontinued it, so it's quite a shame. I just came back from the range with this gun, and this is how this gun shoots. This is with rapid fire. And again, what a shame to discontinue this type of gun. I'm holding on to this. It's a unique gun, and I'm keeping it.